Yoga can add some amazing things in your life. At the same time, it can take away a lot of things from your life. Emily, a 45 years old graphic designer, has been struggling with chronic back pain for over a decade. So what happened to Emily after she started doing yoga? And I will also tell you what we can achieve and what we can lose from yoga. Hello friends, Silbabu welcomes you. In this video, I will tell you about yoga. I will tell you the origin of yoga and why it is important for everyone to do yoga on a regular basis. Please watch till the end. Before I start, tell me, do you practice yoga? Yoga has its root in ancient India, dating back over 5,000 years. It was first mentioned in the Rig Veda, an ancient secret text. Over the centuries, yoga evolved through various traditions, primarily shaped by the teachings of Upanishads, the Bhagavad Gita, and later the Yoga Sutras of Patanjali. There are three core elements of yoga. What are those? One is the physical part, second one is the breathing part, and the third one is the meditational part. This blend of physical and mental exercise is widely believed to have a unique set of health benefits. Today, yoga is a global phenomenon, blending physical postures, breathing technique, meditation, and ethical practices. But again, a question will pop up in your mind. How does yoga benefit us in our regular life? Let me tell you. Firstly, let's talk about the physical benefits. Regular practice involves flexibility, strength, and balance. Simple poses like the downward dog or child's pose can release tension and build muscles. And remember, yoga is just not only about body, it is also about mind. Breathing exercises or pranayama can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Just a few minutes of deep breathing can make a big difference in your life. I would suggest you try it out. If you are suffering from certain ailments, just start with yoga and you see the benefits, because incorporating yoga into your life doesn't have to be complicated. Start with just 10 to 15 minutes. Find a quiet space, a yoga mat, and what we need next? A teacher. If you don't find a teacher where you can go and attend the class, online is always the best option. Remember, consistency is the key. One article which has been published in the Times of India, it says that integrating yogic techniques and physical activity along with meditation and breath work boost mental well-being. Now let's come to Emily. Let's understand what happened with her back pain and whether she got some relief or not by doing yoga. Emily, a 45 years old graphic designer, has been struggling with chronic back pain for over a decade. One of her friends recommended yoga. She started attending a beginner's class twice a week. Within a few weeks, Emily noticed a significant reduction in pain. The gentle stretching and strengthening exercise helped to release tension in her muscles and improve her postures. Over the next few days, she became more flexible and her core strength increased. Now Emily is finding herself in the correct path. Her pain has reduced a lot. It's not only that her pain is reduced, she is getting good sleep now, and her stress level has decreased. After a year of consistent practice, Emily was virtually pain-free. Now, she doesn't need any painkiller, nor she need any doctor, and she has returned to her favorite activities such as hiking, such as gardening, and yoga has become an integral part of her life. So my dear friend, the question rises again. What do we gain from yoga and what do we lose from yoga? So after going through this video, what you understood? We gain so many things. We gain proper sleep. We gain flexibility we gain strength, we gain freedom from medicines. And what we lost? So many things. Stress is gone. Tension is gone. Depression is gone. Anger, anxiety will say bye-bye. When you practice meditation along with yoga, believe me, it works amazingly. Yoga will take care of your physical part. And if you inculcate meditation in your life, say every day 5 minutes, you can see tremendous change in your mental health. I am an example. Few years back, I used to go restless. I cannot sleep at night. I used to get tense. I used to get angry. My food habits were bad. But slowly, when I started meditating along with doing yoga, I can tell you frankly that I have improved a lot. My life has changed a lot, and all my thanks goes to yoga and meditation. So I will always tell you, my dear friends, try it out and it will help you a lot. Thank you.